Okay, last week we talked about the 13th principle. Okay, remember what I say? Physically, you develop 6 principles. Okay, because you're based on your motion and power. That's what you develop in martial art. How you move, how you use your muscle power, like that. That 2 things, the main thing to develop. Okay, before that, you have to develop, they consider physical part. Mental part and physical part have to work together too. That's why that 2 have to develop, yin and yang. Alright, now the 13th principle, first thing, the motion have 3: structure, position, distance. That link to the muscle. The muscle have 3. Okay, the muscle controlling the motion, and muscle execute to be a killing force. There are 2 kinds. That one is called I call live power, useful power. The other one just internal power, control the muscle, cannot do any damage to people. Right? That's 2 kinds of force. And then the timing, how much time, the exact time to put the power with the muscle. To put the muscle control your motion. That's the timing. If timing wrong, they won't work together perfectly. Either you're too tight or you're too much speed. Alright? And then the adjustment during the whole thing, you need adjust. Otherwise, nothing perfect. Okay? Adjustment, they call make it balance. The structure motion okay, and then structure wrong, you have to use a little bit muscle to compensate the structure, make it balance. They call adjustment. Okay? Okay? Just like in SilNimTao, I tell you the target in the center. That's my target. That's my own target. Okay? I can focus here. Everything go to that point. Right? But when I have a external target in front of me, I base on him now. I point to the target, not point to here anymore. Because that's the big pictures. Alright? When I do stick hand with you, my target is your center of gravity, not my punch anymore. The center of gravity further out. I focus further out. Point to the target right there. Okay?
So just to clarify that, your distance, for example, with Tonsao, you're talking about distance.
Yeah, up to the point.
Okay.
That's a line. Okay, that's a middle position. I don't go to extreme. Okay, middle position. Okay, I don't, because extreme you need adjust the power into that to help your structure. I don't do that. I just do the most natural position. I don't use extra force to help my structure. Okay, I did not tell you go to the target. I tell you focus the target. The target right here. Look at the target here. I just the straight line point the target. That's where I go. I stop right there. I'm not going all the way to here. Alright? Target point. Okay? That's called target function. I did not tell you guys to reach the target. The whole thing in Wing Chun we develop how to make your structure strong. Okay? First, I gotta know how to twist and lock, use my body back the hand. Now the concept is like this. If I stand perfectly straight to the ground don't move. It support me. That's called solid ground. I can utilize the floor as a solid ground. Now, the hand stand on the floor is the body now. If the body don't move, my hand have a solid ground. Then my hand can move freely. But if my hand stand on the position not in solid ground, just like you stand on trampoline, then you move all around. You cannot do anything about your hand motion, because I have no solid ground to support your hand. Okay, that's why in order to develop the hand structure, position good, then you have to base on the body structure now. The body structure support the hand. Now how you do twist and lock the hand to the body. I twist and lock the hand in straight line. That means whatever you do, my body can push back. But if my hand here, my hand move like that, the body won't support my hand. Because my hand have no solid ground to support. That's why I have to twist my hand in Now the hand supported by my body, easy. You see the difference? My body is behind my hand to support the hand. If my hand is outside my body hard to support. You can support adjustment, become muscles. I have to use muscle to tie right here. Right here, I don't need muscle because my body is supporting me. The leg and body twist and lock. How can the body twist and lock? To stand, the cossack. The cossack tuck it in. That twist and lock. Let me see, I'll give you something to. Two legs, your body. Right? Your body move around, you cannot lock together. But that is cossack. If I tuck in the cossack, now I lock it together. Everywhere you move, one piece. That's cossack. If I don't tuck in the cossack, you'll be like this. Your body will move all around. See? The cossack motion, I tuck it in. Then I can make it one piece. Now, when I make in one piece, my body is supporting by the leg supporting by the floor. That's structure of the hand. V shape. This is the forearm, this forearm. Okay, that V shape. Since shoulder attached to my body, cannot move. Okay, that's why how I put this solid without, now I'm touching here without moving. This is my shoulder, okay? Touch to my body. And how do I make it solid? Like this, when the fork come in, is I have to use muscle. Like this, I have to use muscle supporting it. How you make it solid? V shape the center right here. I don't need too much force. Right? That's the angle. The 13th principle, I tell you right now, is very basic. The beginning, in SilNimTao level, you will learn all this. When you learn the Chun level, the 13th principle is the same, but deeper understanding, deeper function. When you go to sticky hand, 13th principle is the same, but a deeper understanding. Because in the sticky hand, you have two persons, that two persons become one big picture. That's the 13th principle based on the big picture, not based on by yourself anymore. Okay, now let's go to SilNimTao. The form in SilNimTao, we open, right? Open stand, as you can see me. Okay, open, the left, right there. That's one motion. Now I don't do two motion. I don't do one and two and back. Just one motion. Okay. Now when I have one motion, when I pull back like this, create the tension on both elbows, both shoulders equal by holding it this way, and the center of the hand right on the shoulder, center of gravity, and then the line go to the target. How come that's is so important to know the structure? Because that structure is the most natural position, create the right tension of the structure. If you push too much back, you are tightening all the muscle here. You are not in the natural position anymore. Remember, I tell you in the first couple lectures, Wing Chun development is based on the most natural, smooth structure. Everything based on that. How smooth you can do, how naturally you can move. That's what Wing Chun foundation. Don't tie up your motion. All naturally move, okay? Okay, now after you open, okay, by the time I hold it right, my head should be stood up or automatically. But don't emphasize it. Do not emphasize, just naturally. You shoot up the head. Why? Because this position here, pull my shoulder down automatically. When my shoulder down, my head go up. Stretch my head, my neck go up. But don't focus stretching too much, just naturally firm up. That's all you do. Firm up your head. Now, when I bend my knee, like that, don't think about too much. Just naturally relax. I relax, that's all. Relax. That's the time I pull my cossack in. My cossack in, I push in. See it? See, when I bend my knee, relax, I push in. When I push in my cossack, my spine is stretched down a little bit. That means my spine have the power stretch up by my head and tuck in the cossack, stretch down by my sacrum. Now both sides stretching. I'm firm up my spine. When the spine firm up, that means you're in a straight line. That straight line controlled by the center of gravity. Now watch me one time how I do a Fong. Open, down. That's so natural. The first thing, block. Okay, roll up and back. Left punch, circle. Right punch, circle. Left palm out. Okay, go out slowly. I'll do fast. Okay, from here, see the straight line to the target. I don't lose the elbow. I don't do like this. I don't do like this. I go naturally straight line. Okay, from here, circle up. Circle up, you have to snap. Now when I move, I relieve the tension. The elbow pulling back in. Okay, and then from here down. Go out. Okay, palms up, circle, up. Push, hit, circle, and back. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 motion in the second part. Okay, now the third part, cows out, outside jab, chop, circle, pound, circle, back. Cut down, 1, 2, 3, and punch, punch, punch. Circle, close, down. Question, okay.
Yeah, so after you do the Gansao, do you track your hand a little bit before you turn it up?
No, that's the wire motion.
Okay.
This thing about this, those are Tansao position, it's not Tansao function. But they all look like Tansao, but it's not Tansao function. It's elbow function, but Tansao position. Okay? Okay, you have to understand what you're developing first. Then you know what's going on. If you just do by the motion, you don't even know what's the motion about, how is the motion function, then you won't get nothing out of it. Now remember, in Wing Chun, all the form you do, including sticky hand, everything from the first day to the end of the day, the whole thing are for development. Because they are all based on the rule. You get to follow the rule to develop your skill. By the time you be able to do it in your way, then you can apply in your own way. Application is no rule. It's all up to you. Depends how much you can use it. Okay? Understand that? Beautiful. Okay, see you next time.